This is definitely a tornado. Wow, look at this thing! Oh my god! Holy shit!
What's good, bud?
Dude! Oh my fucking god! Dude! It's coming right at us! Yeah, this is. Oh,
I'm aware.
holy shit!
We should go.
We're good, we're good. We got time. Wow. This thing is strong. All right, we gotta move. Gotta move, gotta move, gotta move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where the f is my phone? Oh my god. All right, this thing's right here. Oh, what? All right, this thing's real f***ing close. All right, we gotta move. Gotta move. Gotta f***ing move. We're f***ing close. Oh my god. All right, we're going back. We're going back. We're going back. I was hit. I made a serious mistake. I am sorry. That's it. I ruined my fucking car. I didn't even record. I didn't even get the recording on the video. So, there, go figure.